morning, guys. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Teen Darrow and mabuhay. Siyempre, hindi mawawala natin pagbating Pinoy. Mabuhay! Happy 1,000 subscribers! Yay! And I'm endorsing this. Hindi. Kuha ko lang siya sa thrift store. At ito ang ini-endorse ko. Na happy siya na naka 1,000k na tayo. Salamat sa aking 14 sa kanyang pag-suporta. Right. Ayan, pareho kami ng ilong. Ganyan po. Ako magmahal sa aking porky. Yan, huggable po siya. And thank you so much sa mga nanonood. And kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe sa channel ko, mag-subscribe ka na. Please. Sige na. Thank you so much and God bless to everyone. Let's begin the day with a beautiful smile.
May bawal daw na may check. It's crazy. Paano daw to? Paano daw? Take the low spot straight or diagonal? No. One spot at a time. No, we're gonna eat you. We're gonna eat you. But I'm sleeping. No. See this? No, David. No, this is the right way. It's your turn. It's not the right way. No. I'm telling you, I have right before. Oh. You could have took him all, but you didn't. I can. Then. No. Yes. Yeah, you can do it. Get him, get him. Now you want to? Maybe you can do it all day. Yeah, you're right. Go for it. Ano daw move ko doon? Hindi ko alam. It's your turn. Where'd you go? I thought you know this? No. No. That's not a good checkmate. That's not a good thing. Checkmate. That's not a good thing. Checkmate. Checkmate. That's David. Checkmate. That's David. Checkmate na daw siya. Hindi nga kami marunong checkmate. That's a funny game. You think somebody else is like, funny game. I don't want to know more. No. I don't want to know more. No. Ayoko na.
Well, after we bought a food and played with the chess. Ngayon ay kain na kami dito sa sasakyan habang inaantay ang aming laundry. Yes, naglalaba kami guys. Take it down. Good. That's sweet. You like sweet?
Yeah, that's good. That is very good.
Bumili kami guys ng pagkain doon sa smoothie house. Smoothie bar. Coffee and bar. Ano ba yun? JT's? JT's smoothie. Yan. Diyan muna kayo. At kami kakain. Sa dashboard cake. Kasi wala akong holder. Ginagamit niya sa truck. Daw? You think it's natural?
That's it. That's mine. It just did it stronger last time. With more lemon.
Waffle time. Nutritious yung waffle nila kasi may gulay. May spinach, tomato, potato, bacon.
Look at this one. Chicken and waffle. It makes them good.
Ito. Good. Yeah.
Go for it. Do it. Do it. Go for it. Do it.
It's challenging me.
All of it.
No, I can't.
Do all of it. Get it all in there. Go.
No. Crazy. Yan, lumubog sa ketchup. Well, paper daw. Yeah. Sarap. May kamahalan nga laang. Pero, sulit naman. Noon, namamahalan ako kasi makakabili ka ng 4 na order sa McDo. Sa presyo ng 2 order nila. Saka malaki. Malaki yung waffle. It's good.
Oh, okay. You should get one of these next time. If you just pour it on it.
Climate.
I don't know. That's good.
Finish. Finished product. Ito ay
Between the garbage and the
yung
feet.
smoothie ko ay ang tawag dito, may dragon fruit. What else ingredients, Chris?
Oh, I don't know.
Basta may dragon fruit siya. Tastes like the same with the powder.
Yeah.
Super,
Powder shake.
super,
Super greens.
super greens.
Super greens.
Brain greens. Whew. Brain greens.
That was a little spicy.
Pansin ah.
You good? You want to finish?
Good.
Look, now they're open. They ain't been open. But now they're open.
Nabusog ako. Miss ko na maghalo-halo, guys. Kung maghalo-halo naman ako dito, gagawa naman ako dito mga naka-jar naman ng ingredients, hindi yung bagong luto. Oo. Lahat ng mga naka-jar. Kaya it costs too much. Ang isang jar ng coco jelly, kaong, ube. May mga ingredients na yun. It cost almost $3. Isang garapon, ganon.
Welcome to America.
Tapos pag kinuha ko yun, nun yung mga ilang kasaba, mga ilang ingredients nun. Tapos sugar and gatas. Pinakamura gatas eh. Kasi parang $1 lang siya eh. Pero because kung susumahin mo, parang kasi kung almost $3 ang isang jar,
TJ's
kuha ako ng 5
smoothie
ingredients.
bar in Carolina.
3 times 5, 15 plus.
It's J to Z. J to Z. J to Z.
JT's. JT's. JT's.
Yes,
With sprinkler and shower. Yun. Yung mga ingredients na yun, mga sumahin mo mga $20, sabihin na natin. $20. 1,000. Ako lang kakain. 1,000 halo-halo sa isang siguro isang malaking mangkok na yun. Isang malaking tumbler. Wala pa palang yelo doon. Libre na yung yelo, crush lang. So, ayun. Ganun, ganun kahirap matikman. Pero lang kung malapit ka sa mga Filipino Asian restaurant. Sa Florida, madami nun eh. Sa California. Sa New York, meron din. Pero dito sa amin, layo eh. Kaya, tiis-tiis. Tiis ganda. Pinantay lang namin yung aming din dryer, tapos uwi na kami. Atid niya lang ako sa bahay with yung mga nilaban namin, tapos napasok ko siya sa work. Ito, naka-ready na siya. May uniform na siya. Kaya yun guys, ganun lang mga pangyayari sa buhay. Mamaya may pasok na ako. Ako'y paramdam ko ayaw ko na bumalik sa trabaho at maghanap ng iba. Papagod ako eh. Nakakapagod yung pwesto ko eh. Yun. Nauubos lahat ng lakas ko. Kaya yun guys. Yan po muna ang vlog natin. Yun. Yung baon niya sa work. Kanyang bag. Yan ang vlog natin. Short vlog natin for today. And thank you for watching guys. Kung ikaw ay nanonood man at di ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, mag-subscribe ka na para masaya. Diba? At salamat sa mga suporta, sa mga nanonood. Thank you so much for everyone. God bless y'all.